Hello everyone, myself Vijay S. Gulkai, Assistant Professor of Vijayanagar College, Hospet. Today, for second semester students, I would like to deal with the reproductive system of rat. Now let us discuss about the reproductive system of rat. What is reproduction? The phenomenon in which the parents are producing new individuals of their own kind is called reproduction. In rat, the sexes are separate. Male urinogenital system is formed by the fusion of the following parts like testes are large in rat due to polygamous mating habit. Each testis is ovoid shaped, located in a spherical sac-like cavity called as scrotum. In fetus, testis lies within the abdominal cavity, but they descend into scrotum during puberty. Each testis is composed of numerous lobules, which in turn contains many long seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are structural and functional unit of testis. The seminiferous tubules open into a network of retitate testes, which in turn open into epididymis. Epididymis is highly coiled, narrow tube-like structure. It consists of three parts: caput epididymis, corpus epididymis, and cauda epididymis. The epididymis stores the sperms, which are produced within the testis. Vasa deferens is a long tube-like structure that arises from epididymis to urethra. It carries the sperm to the penis. The neck of the urinary bladder and the vasa deferens opens into a thick muscular duct called urethra. It is a common passage for both the urine and semen. Hence, it is also known as urinogenital duct. It opens into the penis. It is small cylindrical erectile copulatory organ. It helps to introduce sperms into the vagina of the female during sexual intercourse. The male reproductive system has 5 pairs of accessory glands. Seminal vesicle or yellowish leaf-like structure that secretes seminal fluid. Prostate glands are located dorsally at the base of the seminal vesicle and opens into the urethra. It secretes enzymes, lipids, amines, and metal ions essential for the normal function of spermatozoa. The secretion of the corpus glands controls the acidity of urethra. Perineal gland gives the characteristic odor of the mammal. The secretion of the coagulating gland contains rich protein and fructose that play a major role in coagulation and sperm motility, thereby enhancing fertilization. Female urinogenital system is formed by the fusion of various parts. A pair of ovaries are present, which are usually buried in fat. They produce ova and certain hormones. An ovary has a number of ovarian follicles or Graafian follicles. One ovum matures in each follicle. Oviduct is differentiated into anterior fallopian tube and posterior uterus. The uteri of both the sides unite to form common tube called vagina. Vagina opens at the base of the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder and reproductive system unite to form a common urinogenital canal called vestibule. It has a small rod-like clitoris. The corpus glands of the female rat, their secretion which lubricate the vaginal passage to receive the penis from the male during sexual intercourse. Now let us discuss about the facts of rat. Pregnancy period of rat is 20 to 23 days. Female rat produces 6 to 8 young ones in 1 litter. In 1 year, they can produce 5 to 6 litter. Newborns are blind, deaf, and or without hairs. Rat carry rat fleas which spread bubonic plague. Thank you.